Are you guys feeling real good tonight? Who wants to get down and sexy with me right here, right now? Do all you guys like to dance?
Yeah!
Really? Because it seems that you guys want to move, am I right? It looks like you guys want to move. And it definitely looks like you guys want to move, am I right? Let's do this. Right.